Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to use flashfill in Microsoft Excel. So, flashfill is a feature in Microsoft Excel that allows you to automatically fill in your data when it senses a pattern. So you can just use one format for all text in just one click. So first, we're going to open Microsoft Excel and input our data. So in my worksheet here, as you can see, I have names here. And then I want my last names to be in the uppercase, while the first name to be in the lowercase. So I can do this for the rest of the data and not just repeatedly typing by using the flashfill feature. So what we're going to do is we input the format that we want in the first cells, and the rest will follow using the flashfill. Now let's try. Now we type the format of text that we want. So as you can see in here, we have Taylor Swift as our first name. So since I want all last names to be in the uppercase, I type Swift in uppercase. And I want all first name to be in the lowercase, so I type Taylor in the lowercase. And the rest will follow the moment we press flashfill. So we click the first text that will be used as a reference. So Swift or B5. After that, go to Data, and then go to Flashfill. So the moment we click Flashfill, all the last names are now in the format that we want. That is, all of them are in the uppercase. So we repeat the same procedure for the first name. So again, we click Taylor or C5. Then again, click Data, then Flashfill. Now we have all the first name in the lowercase, just like we wanted. Here is a short demo of what we just did. Please watch. Well done! Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. See you in the next video.